Home improvement projects can breathe new life into your living spaces, but the costs associated with renovations or upgrades can be significant. Personal loans tailored for home improvement provide a practical solution, offering the financial flexibility needed to turn your renovation dreams into reality. In this video, we'll explore 5 personal loans specifically designed for home improvement, discussing their pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Number 1. Lightstream. A beacon for home renovators. Lightstream stands as a leading name in the realm of home improvement financing. Recognized for its commitment to transparency and customer-centric practices, Lightstream offers an array of features tailored to homeowners with diverse renovation needs. From competitive interest rates to a seamless application process, Lightstream aims to be the guiding light for those seeking to elevate their homes. Pros. Competitive interest rates. Lightstream offers low fixed interest rates, making it an attractive option for borrowers with strong credit profiles. No fees. This lender prides itself on transparency, and borrowers will appreciate the absence of origination fees or prepayment penalties. Quick funding. Lightstream boasts a fast and straightforward application process, and qualified borrowers can receive funds as soon as the same day. Cons. High credit standards. To secure the best rates, applicants need an excellent credit score, potentially excluding some borrowers. Limited borrowing terms. While Lightstream offers competitive rates, the repayment terms are relatively short, with options ranging from 2 to 7 years. Number 2. SOFI. Social finance for home upgrades. SOFI, or social finance, goes beyond being a conventional lender. It positions itself as a financial partner for users aspiring to enhance their homes. With an emphasis on community and member benefits, SOFI provides competitive financing options along with a suite of additional perks designed to support borrowers in various aspects of their financial journey. Pros. Competitive rates. SOFI provides competitive interest rates, particularly for borrowers with good to excellent credit. Membership benefits. Borrowers become members, gaining access to exclusive events, career coaching, and financial planning resources. No fees. SOFI doesn't charge origination fees or prepayment penalties, contributing to a borrower-friendly experience. Cons. Strict approval criteria. To secure the best rates, a strong credit history is essential, potentially limiting accessibility for some borrowers. Limited maximum loan amount. While SOFI offers substantial loan amounts, there is a cap that may not meet the needs of extensive home improvement projects. Number 3. Avant. Bridging financial gaps for home enhancements. Avant emerges as a financial bridge for individuals seeking home enhancements, with a focus on flexibility and accessibility. Known for its willingness to work with borrowers across the credit spectrum, Avant provides a user-friendly platform for securing loans tailored to varying credit profiles. Pros. Flexible credit requirements. Avant is more lenient on credit standards, making it accessible to borrowers with fair to good credit. Quick funding. Borrowers may receive funds as soon as the next business day, ensuring a swift start to home improvement projects. Fixed monthly payments. Avant's fixed-rate loans come with predictable monthly payments, simplifying budgeting for borrowers. Cons. Higher interest rates. While Avant accommodates borrowers with lower credit scores, the interest rates may be higher compared to other lenders. Origination fee. Avant charges an origination fee, which can impact the overall cost of the loan. Number 4. Marcus by Goldman Sachs. A solid foundation for home projects. Marcus by Goldman Sachs positions itself as a reliable foundation for individuals embarking on home improvement projects. Backed by the legacy of Goldman Sachs, Marcus offers competitive rates and a commitment to fee transparency, providing a robust financial platform for homeowners. Pros. No fees. Marcus stands out by not charging any fees, including origination fees or prepayment penalties. Competitive rates. This lender offers competitive interest rates for borrowers with good to excellent credit. Flexible loan terms. Marcus provides a range of loan terms, allowing borrowers to choose the time frame that suits their financial situation. Cons. Strict approval criteria. Like many lenders offering favorable terms, Marcus has high credit standards, limiting accessibility for some borrowers. No co-borrowers. Marcus does not allow co-borrowers, potentially impacting eligibility for those who rely on joint applications. Number 5. Upgrade. Elevating your home improvement experience. Upgrade steps into the arena of home improvement financing with the mission to elevate the borrower's experience. With competitive rates, a straightforward online application process, and a focus on quick approvals, Upgrade positions itself as a facilitator for homeowners eager to transform their living spaces. Pros. Competitive rates. Upgrade provides competitive interest rates, especially for borrowers with good credit. No prepayment penalty. Borrowers have the flexibility to pay off the loan early without incurring additional fees. Quick approval. Upgrade boasts a quick and easy online application process, with funding available as soon as the next day. Cons. Origination fee. Upgrade charges an origination fee, which can add to the overall cost of the loan. Limited loan terms. The available loan terms are relatively short, potentially impacting monthly affordability for some borrowers. Choosing the right loan for your home improvement needs. While these lenders offer various options for financing your home improvement projects, choosing the right one depends on your unique financial situation and preferences. Here are some factors to consider. Credit score. If you have an excellent credit score, you may qualify for the lowest interest rates. For those with fair or average credit, lenders like Avant or Upgrade may be more accommodating. Loan amount. Consider the scope of your home improvement project. Some lenders have higher maximum loan amounts, while others may be more suitable for smaller renovations. Fees. Assess the fee structure of each lender. Some, like Marcus and Sophie, don't charge origination fees, while others may have additional costs. Repayment terms. Choose a lender that offers loan terms aligned with your budget and financial goals. Longer terms may result in lower monthly payments, but may cost more in interest over the life of the loan. Application process. If a quick funding turnaround is essential for your project, prioritize lenders with streamlined and efficient application processes. Additional benefits. Some lenders offer unique perks, such as membership benefits, SOFE, or credit building programs. Consider these additional features in your decision-making process. Tips for successful home improvement financing. Budget wisely. Clearly define your home improvement goals and establish a realistic budget. Account for both the expected and potential unexpected expenses. Check your credit score. Before applying, check your credit score. Knowing your creditworthiness will help you determine which lenders and rates you're eligible for. Compare offers. Don't settle for the first offer you receive. Shop around and compare offers from multiple lenders to ensure you secure the best terms for your situation. Read the fine print. Carefully review the terms and conditions, paying attention to interest rates, fees, and repayment terms. Make sure you understand the full cost of the loan. Plan for repayment. Consider how the loan will fit into your overall financial picture. Ensure that the monthly payments are manageable within your budget. Consider DIY. If applicable, explore do-it-yourself options for some aspects of your home improvement project. This can help reduce costs and make your budget more manageable. Selecting the right personal loan for your home improvement project involves careful consideration of your financial situation, creditworthiness, and project scope. The 5 lenders mentioned, Lightstream, Sophie, Avant, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, and Upgrade, each bring their own set of advantages and considerations. By weighing the pros and cons and aligning them with your specific needs, you can embark on your home improvement journey with the financial support you need.